Hi everyone. So welcome back to the collections concept in C Sharp. In the last video, I clearly explained how to add the elements to the list, how to remove elements from the list, how can we display using for loop, for each loop, and in reverse order also. By combining all, today, the menu driven operations we are performing in this video. Okay, here it is using the same list. Menu driven means what? First of all, we need to decide what all the operations we are going to do. Continuously we are iterating. How many times as we don't know, we are using the while loop. You know this concept. How can we write a menu driven programs? First, we are preparing the list. With the integers only we are preparing. Integers list. But I'm not adding directly. Here it is. We are asking like this. First one, console dot write line. One is to add element to the list. Add element. Second one is to display the list. Display the list. Third one is remove. Remove element at particular index. Remove. Fourth one is for exit. Just only these operations we are performing. Simply we are asking enter your choice. Enter your choice. They will input an integer choice. Just we are reading the integer using that console. Just console dot read line, read line. That one we are converting into that integer. How can you convert? Convert dot to int 32. Suppose I'm using this one. Or int dot parts also we can use. Anything just for conversion. So based on the given choice, if choice is equals to 1, then the corresponding code. Else if the choice is equals to 2, choice equals to 2, the corresponding code. Like this, we keep on writing like this. Choice equals to 3, choice equals to 4. Else, just giving that invalid choice. Console dot write line, invalid choice given. Invalid choice given. Suppose if the choice value equals to, this is choice equals to 1, choice equals to 2, choice equals to 3. If it is a 4 means what is exit? Just break we are writing. Console dot write line is a end of program. End of program, just break. It's a while loop, na? Simply you can break. Or you can exit by calling the exit method also. That is not required here. Now if choice is equals to 1, this is for adding, na? We need to read the element from the user and we are adding to the list. And just giving the simple message is, simple message, yes, added to list. So we are asking console dot write line, enter element to add. Enter element to add. So that we are reading int element equals to convert dot to int 32 console dot read line. We are reading that element that simply you are adding to the list. List dot add of element. Add of element. Just giving the message console dot write line element added to the list. Element added to the list. Simple way of writing. This is the first one. Second one is a display the list. So simply using the join I am writing list is list is just string dot join of. It is adding the code using that comma separator and that list we are providing. That's all. With the help of join, we have written everything. Third one is a remove element at particular index. So first of all, you need to ask enter location, enter location to remove, or enter index value, index to remove. So they will give that index. First, you need to check that index is present or not. If the index is greater than or equals to 0, else the index is less than or equals to list dot count minus 1, then only you can remove from the list. List dot remove at that index we are providing, and clearly giving the message console.writeLine element removed successfully. In case error, if there is no such location, simply we are giving that console.writeLine no such location to remove the element. So what we have written one by one in all the previous sessions, everything we are executing as a menu driven program. All operations menu driven program. Just run this code. Just run. Now it is executing. First of all, while true, we are adding 1 element 10, again adding 120, again adding 130, again adding 140, 150. Now I just want to display 2. Look at this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now 3 I am giving remove element at index. I am giving 7th location. Is giving error, no such location to remove. Again I am giving 3. I just want to remove the location from 2. At second location 30 is there. 30. Look at this element removed. Now here it is. I'm just giving that one display. Now look at this 10, 20, 30 is not there, 40, 50. 40, 50. That is, suppose 0th location element I want to remove. 10 will be removed. See when you display 20, 40, 50. If you give any invalid choice, 9, invalid choice given. If you give 4, yes, end of program terminated. This is just how to perform menu driven operations with the list of integers. In the same way, as we discussed in the beginning of collections concept, after completion of integers, we need to work with the objects also. Right? In the next session, I'm going to explain how to store a list of employee objects. Okay. So before that, you please practice this one. Thank you.